In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pitch.com for Pitchdeck. We'll move from a raw idea to a polished professional presentation using just a few focused actions. First, start your presentation with the AI generator. Type a clear prompt that describes your startup or project, including the audience, the problem you solve, your solution, and any traction or milestones. The more specific your prompt, the better the AI can structure your deck with relevant copy and images. Consider noting the tone you want, such as confident or friendly, and the approximate number of slides. Treat the draft as a strong outline you can refine, not a final script. Adjust the language so it sounds like your brand, and keep only the slides that support your narrative. Next, browse the template gallery to find expert-made pitch deck designs. Look for layouts that fit your story flow, like problem, solution, market, business model, and team. You can mix and match slides from different templates to get the exact structure you need. As you combine slides, aim for visual consistency. If two templates use different styles, you'll unify them in a moment. If you already have a deck in PowerPoint, import the .pptx file to refine its design within Pitch. Once it loads, scan for font substitutions and spacing, then align everything to your new style for a cohesive look. Now customize content and design with slide styles. This is a powerful way to update fonts and color palettes across the entire presentation in one place. Pick typography that's readable on any screen, and set a clear hierarchy for headings and body text. If you have brand assets, upload your logo, brand colors, and preferred fonts so every slide reflects your identity. Keep color contrast high to ensure accessibility and legibility, especially for charts and small text. Enhance your story with visual elements. Use the Unsplash integration to add high-quality images that reinforce your message. Search with descriptive keywords and choose images that match your brand's mood. Crop, align, and balance negative space so visuals support text rather than compete with it. Add dynamic stickers to draw attention to key numbers or calls to action, but use them sparingly so the design stays clean. When it helps your narrative, embed videos from YouTube, Vimeo, or Loom by pasting the link directly onto a slide. Place the video where it supports your talking points and test playback to ensure smooth delivery. With these steps, you'll turn an initial draft into a compelling, on-brand pitch deck in Pitch.com that's ready to present with confidence.